Good morning, colleagues. Habari, that is in Kiswahili. Habari yenu. How are you, my colleagues? How are you, my brothers and sisters, comrades? Good morning once more. This is Kohera Senior once more saying hello to you. Habari asubuhi, that is good morning in Kiswahili. Mbuya moraye. Mbuya moraye. That is, how was your night in Kikuria? Thank you very much. This is another bright morning. Thank you for those who subscribed and commented and liked and gave views all over the world. I really salute you, my brothers and sisters. Now, it is another glorious morning. We have woken up in Kenya. Everything is all right. It is very peaceful. And for today, I will humbly request you to watch me attending to my domestic animals by actually killing the external parasites by using a dip, called Norbrook. This one kills mites, it kills fleas, it kills ticks, and all sorts of parasites. So you are most welcome. Just follow me. Let me prepare so that I confirm the firmness. The animals don't run away. Let me change the position of this goat to bring it here. Come here. Come here. Let me tie you tightly. Come down here. Yes. Yes. There is this kid, but the kid here is safe. Let me confirm my calves. These are well. Oh, look! These are the kind of mites. These are the kinds of mites which attack my animals. Yeah, you can see them. These are very bad, very dangerous mites. And this is what we want to kill this morning. Yes. So let me prepare the dosage so that I can also attack the mites which are disturbing my animals. Now I'm making a measurement. Let me first wash the pump so that we don't have any foreign effects which can cause harm to my animals. So here, this one is a water filter. This one is a measurement. Now, I'm measuring an equivalent measurement of, depending on the number of animals, I'm measuring 2 of these. Yes. Uh-huh. Okay, these are two. These are two. Good. Uh, it seems it is. Let me make sure it does not. You see, I'm exhausting. I'm making sure that I have used all the chemical, and then now I'm going to measure two of these, or rather 2.5, so that the chemical is very strong. The chemical is very strong. Oh, if you overdose, the chemical will affect the animals more, so the goats and the calves. Let me add some little. Okay. Yes. Now let me see. Yes. Oh yes. Yes, I think I'm ready. Let me put pressure. I'll start with my dog. Yes. Yes, dog. Dog, 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 dog. My dog is very humble. It's very humble. It is used to be because I'm always tendering it. It's used to the heat. All right. Yeah. This is my kit. Yes. 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 Good. Note the chemical is very strong. You don't have to. Hey, this one. Oh, oh, oh. Okay. Okay. That is enough. Yeah. According to our culture, when you whistle, when you give a whistle to these domestic animals, while you are attending to them, in fact, you are requesting them to be humble. to be humble so that they can be attended to. Good. Okay. Can you see this? Look at this stamp A. Yeah. It's mite. Look at this. Okay, I think this this is enough for the animals. Let me kill fleas in the poultry house. This one here. Oh, okay. This way at the end, please. Oh, 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 oh. Okay. Okay, this one is enough. Let me see the remaining part. Oh, okay. Let me see where my pigeons stay. Except that they have chicks, so I'm not going to apply in their houses because you can see there are chicks there. You can see those are pigeon chicks. So let me just apply it here so that I don't the chemical does not affect them. And finally, let me kill the fleas where the goats sleep. Yes, yes, this is where. So they will never have time again to attack my animals. Okay, okay, good. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of today's activity in my boma. Let me now start releasing. Let me release my dog so that okay can go. I release each and every one of them so that they are now free. They are now free. Okay. No, this one I'm not going to allow it to suckle because it will be may be affected by the dip. It's until evening when Madam will hygienically attend to them before he milks. Before he milks the mothers. Okay, good. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, may I take this opportunity now to say thank you and still welcome you to continue subscribing to my channel. And I'm humbled actually to read your comments and encouraging me. I can feel you are with me. And I say thank you very much. Let us meet tomorrow in the next video. May God bless you. Thank you.